Good morning, students. Welcome back to online classes. Today, I am going to take you through an example to teach the new concept. Okay. So, first, I am just taking four different colors of balls. So, in which I am going to choose only two balls. Okay. So, then I am just taking the possible ways of selecting two balls. Okay. So, if I am choosing the two different color balls, then these are all the possible ways. Okay. So, how many ways are here? Here we are just choosing two different color balls. So if I'm choosing it like this, then there are totally, I will get 12 ways. Okay. So if my question is one after another, if my question is one after another, then I have 12 ways. Is that clear? Because I am selecting one ball first, then I can select the another ball. Supposing I select red ball, then there is an option of selecting yellow ball, or I may choose the yellow ball first, then I may select the red ball. So there are two possible ways. Okay, so this is called permutation. That is the thing we learnt in the previous video. That is number of ways is equal to, out of 4 I am selecting only 2. So 4p2 is equal to 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. Now, if I am choosing these two balls simultaneously, supposing I am choosing these two balls simultaneously means, then what happens? I am taking the balls at a time, two balls at a time. That means I may select red and yellow at a time means, then that is considered as yellow and red or red and yellow. So both the ways are becomes one now. So there is only one possibility of choosing these two. So this is a possibility of one. Next, we may choose red and purple with red. That is the second possibility. Okay. So then we can have the other possibility is nothing but this is the one. So this is the third possibility because we are selecting at a time. Then the fourth one, we can have yellow with purple and this. So purple with yellow, fourth possibility. Similarly, I may choose yellow with blue and blue with yellow. That is nothing but the fifth possibility. Similarly, the last possibility. That means I may get only 6 possible ways of selecting the values if I am choosing simultaneously. So this is the new concept we are learning. If I am taking one after another, I am taking it as a permutation. Now we are taking simultaneously. That is called, what is it? Combination. Okay. So here how many ways? Number of ways is equal to only 6. Is that clear, children? So now let me move on to the comparison between permutation and combination. So where we are having arrangements, we are arranging, can you remember? We are arranging all the kind of balls, that is two different balls. Okay, but while we are going to combination, we are selecting. So it is selection. I am selecting only two balls. There is no restriction in that. So only two balls I am picking it out. Okay, and here order matters. That means it should be in the order of red with yellow and yellow with red. There is an order. First ball, second ball, second ball, first ball. So like that, there is an order. But here the orders doesn't matters. So these things are called permutations and this is called combinations. So if I'm selecting something and orders doesn't matters, then that is called combinations. Is that clear? So here we are having a formula, already we know this. Now this is the one is a new formula, that is we are going to find out combinations, that is NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. That is I am selecting. So my combinations becomes 1, that is the orders becomes 1. As like a set, we will count once, we will not count twice. Is that clear? In the set, if I am going to write the union, what will I do? If I take the element from A, I will not take the same element from B. It is considered as one element. As like here, the combination is only once. we will take it like that. Okay. So now next one is, suppose if I'm just giving the examples. So permutations and combinations. In permutations, what are the difference here? 6 persons are in contest. How many ways can first and second place be awarded? So the places are prescribed here. First order, then second order. So there is an order. But here in a combination, you may see 6 persons are in contest. How many ways can 2 persons be selected for the next level? At a time, they are picking only two persons. Is that clear? One more example. A team of 8 basketball players need to choose a co-captain and a captain. So there is a restriction here. Captain and a co-captain they have to select. The batting order for 7 players on a 11-person team. So out of 11, I have to choose only 7. So identically we are choosing in combinations. But here it is not the condition. There is a restriction. Okay. Orders matters in permutation. Suppose I have walking into a game shop and picking 2 games to buy. What is this? This is neither a permutation nor a combination. Why means here the elements are not given to us. 6 person, from that I am selecting this much. So, and then here 8 basketball players, out of which I am going to select this. N is prescribed here, but here it is not given. N is not given. That means for the general thing we cannot do permutations and combinations. Is that clear, children? Next, we are moving to look at some properties of combinations. That is, NC naught is equal to 1 and NC n is also equal to 1. Okay, as we know that 0 factorial is equal to 1, here we are taking the combinations like that. Then, if NCX is equal to NCY, then there are 2 conditions are applicable. That is, either X is equal to Y or X plus Y is equal to N. Okay, then one more property we have, if I am having NCR plus NCR minus 1, if I am reducing it by 1, then the resultant value will be N plus 1 CR. So this. Okay, so the next one is, supposing I have 6C2, then the formula is 6 into 5. This is another model, so that is directly we can find out. 6 into 5, that is we are adding order, and here I am having 2, so 2 into 1. Okay, then here I can cancel this 2 with this 6. Therefore, the answer will be equal to 15. Supposing I have 9C4, then how can I write it? In descending order, 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by, because I have 4, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. I can cancel 4, 2 are 8 and then 3 with this. Therefore, the answer will be 3 7s are 21 into 6 is nothing but 126. Okay. So let me see some more problems in that. A trust has 25 members. Okay. In which my first question is, how many ways 3 officers can be selected? So 3 officers can be selected, identical one. So 3 officers, the categories are not mentioned. Therefore, number of ways is equal to, out of 25, we are going to select 3, then it will be 25C3. Whereas, if the question is, how many ways can a president, vice president and a secretary be selected? So, the 3 things are segregated here. Therefore, here, what is that? Permutation, we should not apply combination, that is 25P3. For the 3 places, here it is specified, but here it is not specified. Then we have to apply combination. Is that clear? And how many ways a committee of 6 persons from 10 persons can be chosen along with the chairperson and the secretary? Out of 6 it is given, chairperson and secretary also included. So if there is a restriction, what we have to do? We have to apply permutation. Therefore, number of ways is equal to 10P2. Out of 10, first we are fixing these 2 persons. Okay. Then how many more I need? For a 6 person in a committee, then we can get remaining 4. Remaining 4 members will be taken from remaining 8 persons, because already we have selected 2 persons. Therefore, we will get 8C4. Okay. Why I have multiplication? I need all the 6. That means and 2 and 4. Therefore, I am having multiplication. Okay. That is principles of counting. Already you know that. How many triangles can be formed by joining 15 points on the plane in which no line joining any 3 points? So for a triangle, how many points we need it? Yes, we need 3 points. That means how many points are available? 15 points are available. There is no restriction. We have to find out, form a triangle. So that means it needs 3 points. Therefore, number of ways is equal to 15C3. Okay. So now the next one is there are 5 teachers and 20 students. Out of them, a committee of 2 teachers and 3 students is to be formed. Find the number of ways in which this can be done. Okay, so first we have to find out the number of ways. So 5 teachers, how many I have to select? 2. Out of 20 students, I have to select only 3 students. Therefore, what are the possibilities? Number of ways is equal to, out of 5, I have to select only 2. Out of 20, I have to select only 3. There is no restrictions. So therefore, we are taking it like that. Okay. Now, further, find in how many of these committees a particular teacher is included. Already one teacher is selected. Okay. So how many teachers we have to select? 2. So that means already 1 is selected, means remaining 1 only I have to select. Okay. But out of 5 already I have chosen 1. So remaining 4 teachers. So from 4 we have to select 1 teacher, and from 20 students we have to select 3 students. Okay. Now a particular student is excluded. Some particular student we should not taken into the committee. Okay. So that means what I have to do? So one child should not join in that committee. So out of 20 will be reduced to 19. We are excluding that child. Therefore, number of possibilities is equal to, out of 5 teachers, we have to select 2 teachers, and out of 19 students, we have to select 3, because one child is not included in that committee. Is that clear, ma? So now the next one is 7 relatives of a man comprises 4 ladies and 3 gentlemen. So there is a thing given to us. Okay, so I just shortcut that. What is the gist of the given one is a husband and wife, in which the husband have 4 relatives are 4 ladies and 3 gentlemen. Okay, so now in the wife's side we have 3 ladies and 4 gentlemen. So now what is the question is, they are going to arrange a dinner party in which only 3 ladies and 3 gentlemen has to be participated. Apart from that, none of them has to participate. Only 3 ladies and 3 gentlemen. So that there are 3 of man's relative. So the husband can call 3 relatives from his side, and wife can call 3 relatives from her side. Okay, so then what are the possibilities we are going to find out? So let me find out the possibilities. Suppose husband side, they have that is he has to select only 3 persons. Similarly, wife also she has to select 3 persons. Now number of ways. Okay, so what are the possibilities? The first one is the husband may select all the 3 being ladies. If a husband select all the 3 are ladies, then what happens? Wife has to select 3, all the 3 are gentlemen. Because what is the condition? The party can has 3 ladies and 3 gentlemen. Now, the husband may select 2 ladies and 1 gentleman. So then, the wife has select 1 lady and 2 gentlemen. Is that clear? Now, you just reduce here because only 3 persons are allowed. Only 1 lady is selected and 2 gentlemen. Okay. So now this side then 2 ladies has to participate because there are 3 ladies and 3 gentlemen. Already 2 are selected. Therefore, only 1 gentleman will be there. Okay. Now, what is the last possibility for a husband? All the 3 are gentlemen. Then the wife has to select all the 3 are ladies. So only these 3 possibilities. Apart from that, there is no other possibility. Now we are going to find out. So how many ladies and gentlemen there? There are 4 ladies and 3 gentlemen. For wife, 3 ladies and 4 gentlemen. Out of 4 only, I can select only 3. Therefore, it will be 4C3 into here also out of 4, I can select only 3, 4C3. So now if I am expanding it, then I can cancel certain things. That is 2 gets cancelled, 3 gets cancelled. Here also it will be. Then my answer will be 4 4s are 16. Similarly here, out of 4 I can select only 2. Therefore 4C2, out of 3 I can select 1. Then out of 3 I can select 1, out of 4 I can select 2. If I am simplifying, I will get the answer like this. The next one is, out of 4 I am selecting 1, then out of 3 I can select 2. Similarly here, okay, therefore the possibilities are 144. Now here, out of 3 I can select all the 3. Here also out of 3 I can select all the 3. Therefore 3C3 into 3C3, that is equal to 1. So what are the total number of ways? Total number of ways is equal to 485.
Today's fact. We all know about Ramanujan's number, right? What is Ramanujan number? 1729. What's so special about this? So this is the smallest number which can be expressed in sum of two cubic numbers. That is, either we can write this 1029 as 1 cube plus 12 cube or 9 cube plus 10 cube. So this is the smallest number which can be expressed as a sum of two cubic numbers. Okay. Now children, I sent supplementary video, Kahoot and a test along with this video. Just watch supplementary video and do your Kahoot, write the test and send it to me. Thank you children.